Every great dam begins with a challenge, taming a wild river. First, engineers read the Earth's bedrock, then divert the water through a tunnel, leaving the valley dry. With the river held back, water still threatens the site. Engineers raise a cofferdam, rockfill, and a sealed clay core, creating a dry island. A dam is only as strong as its foundation. Crews dig down to solid bedrock, then inject a cement grout curtain deep into the stone, sealing every hidden crack against water. Now a mountain is rebuilt by hand. Roller-compacted concrete is spread and rolled in giant layers, while embedded cooling pipes tame the heat, preventing cracks. A dam must control floods and create power. Steel spillway gates release excess water safely, while below, Francis turbines transform the river's force into clean. Then the river returns, not as a threat, but a resource. Holding power now serves generations.